everybody, this is Kitty from Kitty's Minis, and I'm on my third box. Did a couple in one night, still dressed in the same, so yeah, I'm doing it all in one night. So I am now on my third box, and let's see what we got. So, yes, I'm continuing with my third box, and we have a little gaming table. So, I used to be a drafter architect. This is my world between the monitor and my desk. And so this was another reason why I chose this set because, oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, that's my desk right there. And we have, in this set, we have a little headset. I think I need these. No, I think I need these. Little headset. And we have got a little tablet here, iPad going on. Let's see. Oh, I think maybe we got one on, no? We got one on one side. Oh, let's go for this one here. So, we got this little tablet facing thing. Bear with me, guys, because I can't see the hell I am doing. Let's see. Yes. So I was born blind, so this ain't nothing new. Just letting you know. Yeah, so we got this little tiny tablet here. It's so exciting. On the desk. And there's another one here. I don't think I'm supposed to put that on the back side. That looks like something different. Maybe I get to choose. But we got, oh, okay, see, I'm learning. We got the little headset, and we get to hang our little headset on the desk. Yep, look at that. I am all about that kind of thing right there, because I have no room in my space, and any place you can hang something, that's awesome. So, anyways, let's see what we get in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.